I mainly came here just to burn a few batteries, but what ended up happening is that I kept on getting some fail-safe issues, so I'm just walking across this hill right now to go find my drone. I honestly can't find it right now. It's a bit stressful. But anyways, today the main topic of the video is really, I just wanted to release the giveaway winners because it's been a while and it took me a while to figure out who I feel like represented the giveaway prompt the best. And yeah, I guess I gotta look for my drone right now. Yeah, there it is. There we go. Oh my god, the ND filter completely broke, but yeah. Okay, so sorry, I had to come back because it was getting a bit dark. And anyways, about the top 3 to win the Runcam 5s off me, and I'll get it shipped over to you guys soon. But the first one is Lazy Rocket. He definitely did a very, very good job filming some BMX, some off-road motorbikers, and I definitely really thought that was really cool. He definitely put a really nice edit together. He looked like he put a lot of effort into it, and yeah. The second one is Mike COFPV. He was filming a hot air balloon, and that was really cool. I really liked it. He definitely did put a bit of storytelling aspect from the beginning of like filling up the hot air balloon with hot air and stuff like that, and then just getting up into the air. And I'm honestly a bit confused about how this was even legal, but it was definitely a cool video. I really liked it, so that's number 2 on the list. And last but not least, my most favorite video that I liked here was Olden Hazard. He put together a video of him filming his high school football team, and I definitely do feel like that was definitely a very, very good use of FPV in film. And yeah, I feel like with a bit more expertise in his flying style and a bit more video editing skills, I feel like this could definitely be made into a really, really great video. But yeah, I hope he tries this again and makes something a bit better. But this is definitely my top pick for that one. So yeah. Anyways, for all 3 guys who won the Runcam 5s, I'll be getting in touch with you guys soon and shipping these to you guys. And yeah, I guess that's it. Till next time, guys.